What's good, everybody? Gonna take you fellas into London today. Excitingly, I've been invited by Nike to go and check out this like robot thing that cleans and repairs sneakers. So I've got some old beaters in the bag that I'm hoping this machine can sort out. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is what a busy day for me kind of looks like. Yeah, teaching Te Reo Māori, doing fitness, picking up a raffle win for sneakers. You can see we secured the bag. So I'm pretty delighted to have the black canvases on deck. Future review coming out soon, don't you worry about that. Yeah, let's head over to Oxford Circus and see what Bill's about. We're here at Nike Town, Oxford Circus, where they've invited me to come in and check out this cool piece of machinery. It's called Bill or something like that, and it's like some automated robot dude that's supposed to like clean and service and repair your sneakers. So yeah, let's see what's up. So basically, yeah, this is Bill behind. I've given the bro my dirty royals. I probably should have cleaned them before I brought them in because they are dirty as. But here's the machinery. And then I guess, yeah, they're gonna take the kicks and chuck them in there and see what I want. Nice, man. So Bill, bots initiated longevity lab.
Basically selecting since we have different options of what shoes you want to choose.
Yeah.
First one, Jordan 1's Dunks, Space, etc.
Yeah.
So we select Jordan 1. We select what cut it is, so low, high, or mid.
Nice.
And then the material, so obviously it's all leather, so we have sexual size, 9.5 UK.
Yeah.
What to do now, we just calibrate it and then put them in, right? And after we put them in.
Yep. So I'm gonna load now the shoes into the machine to get it started.
Cool. All right, here we go. So how long does the process usually take, bro?
So every appointment is roughly 1 hour. So this incorporates the whole sign-in, delacing of the shoe, kind of talking you through what's going to happen, and then the machine runs for roughly 35 to 48 minutes, depends a little bit on what type of shoe it is or how many patches you're picking. And then this part is done, and then there's another session of like relacing the shoe and heating up the patches, getting you kind of ready to go again.
Nice. Go.
To finally start.
Alright, go.
Alright,
Thank you.
Right now this robot will pick up the shoe, the first one, and then we'll do a 3D scan of the shoe. Now it's the second. Over now the other guy will pull out the screen for the pictures, how it looks, and kind of these are like all the points you see over here are sample points for the cleaning. So we segment the whole cleaning process into 5 segments, which is the sole, toe box, left side, right side, and the heel of the shoe.
So here we go, first stage. A bit of soap. It's the cleaning. It's like a car wash. Yeah. You can see it's getting into the soul. What was the motivation to create this technology?
So Nike actually approached us as focus on the upper part. So the repair is patching up any scratches or stitchings on the shoe and kind of give it a little unique design by repairing it.
Nice.
And so like after every stage of this cleaning, we will go over to this wipe off over here, which is made out of old recycled laces.
Oh yeah, cool.
To kind of take off any foam to like not move any of the dirty foam over the shoe. So right now we're going on the toe box.
Already it's starting to look pretty nice. So these little brushes have got like little soap nozzles that squish soap into the sneaker. You can see there's the solution there.
To kind of check out if you have any damages, any holes, scratches.
Yeah.
And you can start patching your shoe up. So, for example, if you say, I want to have a yellow patch on the toe box here, like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Or you can put a tape over here, kind of rotate it around,
Wow.
and kind of patch your shoe up.
Have you had anyone put any patches on that didn't need them? For like design?
Yeah, there's some people who are like even asking, hey, can we go upstairs, buy new shoes and come downstairs and put them into the machine?
Hey!
But I mean, it's a little bit against the purpose of the machine of sustainability.
Yeah. We're gonna put one of these patches on, but this is gonna be removable. How about, can we put it maybe down here?
Yeah, sure.
So it looks nice. Yeah, look at that. So we're gonna have some custom Bill Royals. Although this is gonna be removable, so don't worry out there, you guys. We're not gonna try and ruin these. So these are my custom Bill patches. One there, and then one there. Woo! So we're getting a bit of a dry action on shoe number 1, and then shoe number 2 is going into the sole scrub, car wash, and we're looking good. What can you tell me about Bill?
Bill is our bot-initiated longevity lab, and this is truly one of a kind service that you will never get anywhere else. Bill is literally amazing. I was just telling that unless you're Iron Man, you will not get this service anywhere else. Facts. So yeah, just incredible. Just technology, and it's all about sustainability as well. Like, this is the whole point of it, is to extend the life cycle of your sneakers. So instead of throwing them away or getting rid of them, this is a way to prolong your life and just make them fresh again.
So here we go. This is shoe number 2, getting the buffage. Shoe number 1 still on the dry. And like, it's all linked up. Like, you see here? Like, you got like the whole sneaker is on display here on like the projector screen.
And if you select the patches, in the meantime, the first robot will kind of present the shoe to the other shoe, while the other one is peeling the patches and placing them on. And when this is done, it's going to exit the shoe again, and we're good to go.
So here's the patch going on. Saw us load the patch up before. The other patch on now. Alright, so we've got both the patches on. Sick. Alright.
So these are the cleans
Here they are.
and patched up shoes.
Got the clean, the patch. Pristine again. Well, kind of. Yeah. Nice. Shout out to Bill. Thanks to Bill. So, the closing ceremony here. Yeah, so we're just going to implement your new soles and your new laces as well. And you also get to pick new debris. So if you want to add them on, if you don't, it's up to you. But yeah,
This is now the ending ceremony, and that's also a new, like, it's a scent to give it that new shoe smell.
Oh.
So they create it in a lab, and it gives you that new shoe smell.
The new shoe smell, got the new insoles, and then new debrays.
You also get a thank you card from Bill, and you'll get a QR with all like digital visual like imagery and videos, as well as a augmented reality of your shoes, so you can place them on a table or on the floor and like play with them.
Yeah,
So it's all part of the process.
nice, bro, nice. Wow, that's cool, man.
If you scan this QR code, you get a little collection of key shots of your shoe kind of running through the machine,
Wicked.
and like a shortcut video of what you have been seeing on the back wall, with like what your shoe moving through, and the 3 models with the patches on them, and you can actually, you know,
So you can kind of like, so you can compare
compare
what they started out like to what they're like now. Hey, that's awesome.
kind of little fun little game.
So this is the heat press, where they will heat press the patch onto the sneaker to make sure that it stays solidly on there. Yeah. How long were you saying the record holders are for lacing the shoes, bro? How long does it take the professionals to do it?
About 20 seconds, and they use chopsticks.
20 seconds and they use chopsticks. But my man, how long we looking at now? Is this going for sub 3 minutes?
Don't do that. It's been 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
30
Oh, yeah,
seconds,
for the tape. Yeah, jamming in the center. You even get a bloody box. Oh, yo. Yeah.
Get thank you cards.
Very
Should get some
cool.
Bill stickers.
Oh, fuck. Stop it. Fuck, no.
The new package.
All
Get a
right.
bag as well.
Thank you, bro. Look at that. My new old shoes. Or my old new shoes. So that's it. What a cool experience. Nike Town, London. Got me some new old Royal Ones. All spiffy and clean and brand spanking new looking almost. The experience was dope. The staff in there friendly as always. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you fellas on the next one. Peace.